A moment of sadness too in some ways, because one felt completely exhausted. I remember staying in the stand for a few moments before going down to congratulate the boys. Doug Smith went into the dressing room. He was in tears. There were tears of joy. And there was Willie John McBride, silent for once in the corner. And I could see in his face that something special had happened, because he'd been on the losing side for about 13 test matches, and this was the first time that he'd won. The other thing was, and I mentioned sadness, I looked into the New Zealand dressing room, and I've never seen anything like it. It was like a morgue. All of them had their heads down, and they were so sad that Colin Meads, a great man and a good adversary as a captain, piped up and he said, well, Carwyn said, there are 3 more to go, and we look forward to those.
Righto, now we can tell you the other side of the story about why they were such a great team and how their managers conned not only the New Zealand press but the British press into helping them beat the All Blacks. For instance, they took to our great little halfback Sid Going for putting the ball in crooked all the time, and lo and behold, the 3rd test, the first 3 scrums Sid put it in, we were penalised, and I think that was a great manager's achievement on their part. So there's not much more I can say, but you know, all in all, you fellas will be having a great bloody reunion. Have a beer for me, and I'd love to see you back here sometime.
Before the 2nd test, there were 3 matches to be played and won, and win them the Lions did, beating Southland, Taranaki and New Zealand universities quite comfortably, with 9 more tries, and Parry John adding another 21 points to his already record-breaking total.